This is Gus Lanzilotta at Profile Racing, and today we're going to cover the complete assembly of the rear mini hub. Okay, now we're going to install the bearings on the rear mini hub. We use a 6903. We're going to press that into the non-drive side. Make sure that's flush. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our axle. We're going to insert the non-drive side through the drive side, push it all the way through the bearing. We're going to take our other bearing, 6903, on the drive side. We're going to press that together. Make sure we get a nice firm press on it. Now next what we'll do is we'll take the driver shim, the most important part I believe, and you really need to have this inside there. So we'll put that driver shim inside on the axle, and we'll take our driver. What we'll do is we'll freewheel it backwards and it should pop right in, just like that. Drive side cone, non-drive cone, and 2 axle bolts. That's it. To be honest with you,